Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we're delighted to present this exceptional 2018 plate Range Rover Sport SVR, finished in Santorini Black. It comes enhanced by SVR exterior styling, 22-inch alloys, black brake calipers and deployable side steps. Alongside incredible V8 performance, you'll also receive 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, giving you complete peace of mind. At the rear, you'll find a generous boot space that's practical and suitable for all your everyday needs or big adventures. Step inside and you're welcomed by a beautifully appointed cabin with ebony SVR pattern leather sport seats. The premium materials, quality and performance-focused design make this vehicle truly special. The front and rear are spacious and comfortable, with plenty of legroom for all passengers. The dashboard is driver-focused, with touchscreen infotainment systems for all important car controls and features. Above you, the panoramic sunroof fills the cabin with natural light, giving a spacious and airy feel. The heated steering wheel gives you easy access to key controls like volume, voice control, cruise control, lane assist and heated steering buttons. One luxury feature in this SVR is the refrigerator cool box, keeping snacks and drinks cool on every journey. Comfort is guaranteed year-round, with heated and cooled front and rear seats and climate control, making you comfortable in all weather conditions. A rear camera makes parking and manoeuvring easy, while the head-up display puts key information in your eye line. The sunroof can also be opened for fresh air and sunlight on those nicer, warmer days. This extraordinary V8 Range Rover Sport SVR could be yours today. For more information or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.